Hello everyone. Today I am going to tell the solution of third problem from exercise 10.3 from circles chapter from NCERT class 9. The problem here is if two circles intersect at 2 points, prove that their centers lie on the perpendicular bisector of the common chord. So here let O dash be the centers of the two circles, and if you see this figure, these two circles intersect at 2 points A and B. If you join these 2 points, AB is the common chord for these two circles. So AB here is the common chord, and if you join O dash centers of these two circles, then you will get a line here. So let AB intersects the line O dash at M, and here we have to prove that O dash be the perpendicular bisector of AB. So we have to prove that this is the perpendicular bisector. O dash is a perpendicular bisector of AB. So for that we have to join OA, O dash and O dash B and B O. Here we have to prove that O dash is a perpendicular bisector of AB. That means we have to prove that this is a perpendicular line and it bisects the chord AB. That means it divides this line into two equal parts. So first we have to show that angle OMA, this angle is equal to angle OMB is equal to 90 degrees, and again we have to show that AM is equal to MB. Take these two triangles now. In triangle OA dash and triangle OB dash, OA is equal to OB, radii of the same circle, this circle, and O dash A is equal to O dash B. These two are radii of this circle, those are same. So right here, and O dash is the common side of these two triangles. So side of this triangle are equal to side of this triangle. So triangle OA dash is congruent to triangle OB dash by SSS congruence rule. Once these two triangles are congruent, we can equal the corresponding parts of these two triangles. Therefore, angle AO dash is equal to angle BOO dash by CPCT, and angle AOO dash is equal to angle AOM, and angle BOO dash is equal to angle BOM. So right here angle AOM is equal to angle BOM. This is first equation. We have to prove that AM is equal to BM and these two angles are 90 degrees. So these two are parts of these two triangles. So take these two triangles in triangle OMA and triangle OMB. OA is equal to OB, radii of the same circle, and angle AOM is equal to angle BOM. Just now we have proved from the equation 1, and OM is equal to OM. This is the common side of these two triangles. So triangle OMA is congruent to triangle OMB by SAS congruence rule. Once these two triangles are congruent, we can equal the corresponding parts of these two triangles. So AM is equal to BM by CPCT. This is second equation, and angle OMA is equal to angle OMB by CPCT. Next, if you see here, there is a linear pair here. So angle OMA plus angle OMB is equal to 180 degrees. That is a linear pair. We just now we have proved that angle OMA is equal to angle OMB. These two angles are equal. Therefore, 2 angle OMA is equal to 180. Angle OMA is equal to 180 by 2, that is 90 degrees. Therefore, angle OMA is equal to angle OMB is equal to 90 degrees. This is third equation. From second and third, we can say that OO dash is the perpendicular bisector of AB. Now please do this exercise. And here are the answers.